Hey guys, it's Claude with Rattle Coatings. Today I'm down here in Branson, Missouri at Branson Cerakote Laser. I came here for the Turn-Key class, and today is my last day of the 3-day class. I just wanted to make a quick video, kind of just a little bit of my impressions and my takeaways from the training course. I would say do it. It was an amazing time. The staff was absolutely amazing. Whit and Andrew and John, all extremely helpful, just more than I actually expected in helpfulness. So that was a real treat from them guys. I showed up here with me and my father-in-law. I brought a rifle and a pistol, and both of them came out beautifully. They were really engaging and very step by step, kind of walked me through there. And although I've been painting for holy smoke since I was about 15, I've been around painting. I come from a family that were all painters. I still learned quite a bit, a lot more than I kind of expected to. But hopefully, the takeaway from this is I can go home and correct a few of my bad habits that I now discovered I have. So definitely a better painter walking away from this, and I'm super excited for more projects to come. As you know, I'm gearing up for your rifles, your pistols, any type of weaponry on that sense. I'm also looking into getting into side by side and off road parts. That's a venue that I'm really hoping to gain some traction in, and I'm going to be having a few videos coming up on some side by side parts that I'm going to be spraying. I currently have 2 side by sides in my shop that I will be taking some parts from and painting and putting back on, both with some air dry Cerakote and then some air dry Cerakote with some clear coats over them, just as a little bit of an experiment for myself for durability. Kind of see what that looks like before I really push that product out, but those are kind of coming down the pipeline for me as well. I got to celebrate Andrew's birthday today while we were here. Just a little side caveat. I have to say happy birthday to him. Heading out of state today, but super nice guy, very helpful. I look forward to possibly meeting and work with him again in the future. He was just a real good guy. As for Rattle, I'm coming out of Coloma, Wisconsin, very small town. So all my people in Wisconsin, do look me up. I am on Rattle Coding LLC on Facebook. On YouTube, I'm Rattle Coding. My main takeaways from this class, I would have to say, are it's a lot more labor intense than I thought it was going to be. I have been working with gun coatings. I initially started off with KG Gun Coat a little over a year ago, and now just kind of switched over and I'm exclusively just using some Cerakote product instead. So I like it. I would say my main takeaway from it is I like it. It seems to be a great product. It sprayed very well. It was actually nice to work with. I did not have any issues with it at all. So I'm definitely excited to continue working with that product. Sure. Let's see. I have a review video for my first follow-up of the unboxing of the Graco. I did use that gun while I was here in Branson at Branson Cerakote, so that video will be coming as well. It gave me an opportunity to use that new gun, and I'll post some video clips and some photos of that gun in action as I get that video together. So for now, I'm gonna head out, but don't forget to subscribe, watch, like, share, hit the bell, and I'll be hearing from all of you real soon. If you have any questions or comments, write them in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you, okay? I always try to reply to everybody who leaves me a comment down there. All right, guys, take care, and thank you for watching.